Terra Luna exploded in price today and I found a working strategy that will let you double your account in no time. Let's get into the strategy. We want to be on the 1 minute time frame because this is a super quick scalping strategy. Go to indicators. Search for trend buy and sell. Take this one. Change the settings to 45, 5, 45, 5. Next, add the RSI. Change the length to 7. Finally, add the exponential moving average. Change length to 50 and adjust the color. Now let's see how the strategy works. First, we need to see a buy or sell. Next, we need to make sure price is very close to the white line. For a sell, we have to confirm that the RSI is below 50. This is a valid signal. Make sure to set a very tight stop loss as Luna is very volatile today and you might blow your account if you are not careful. Aim for at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward, I prefer 4-to-1. Here is another signal, but it is too far away from the white line, so we ignore it. While we wait for the next signal, take your time and hit that like button. Another sell signal. Price is close to the white line, RSI is below 50. We take this trade. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Another buy signal. Price is close to the white line, RSI is above 50. We open a buy. Another sell signal. Price is close to the white line, RSI is below 50. We take this trade. Looks like this one didn't work out. But we have a very small stop loss anyways. And that's about it. I hope the strategy helps.